bigger than the boogeyman. He's bigger than Godzilla, and I don't know the rest, but God is bigger than the boogeyman, and he's watching out for you and me. I don't know who needed to hear that, but that just jumped into my spirit. I'm having one of those days that began really, really good, and then a lot of warfare came through and tried to steal my joy, but I won't let it. God is bigger than every boogeyman of fear, every boogeyman of shame, every boogeyman of doubt, every boogeyman of lack, of demonic interruption to your purposes and plans, and he shall prevail.